Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Prima Donna Deluxe Espresso machine. Now for this machine, we did a tune-up and we also replaced the water pump. This one that you see right here is from 2013 and the one that we installed is from 2022. So yeah, we did that and we also replaced the brew unit. You see right here. Descale the machine and also clean the hopper and some parts of the machine as well. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing it out. So for that, the gloves interfere with the touchpad over here. As you can hear, the machine is grinding the beans now on the back of the machine, depositing them into the brew unit, the new brew unit that is inside. Then it gets compacted by the transmission all the way to the mechanical valve, where it starts to push water from the water pump to the thermoblock all the way up to the mechanical valve, going down to the infuser and then going all around to the spouts where it will start doing pre-infusion and then it will do extraction. And as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. We're using our test coffee and the number 3 setting on the grinder. Hot water, as you can see, coming out very nicely, looking great. And now we're gonna do steam. The thermoblock needs to get up to temperature, so the water pump will start pulsing water into that thermoblock, then go all around it through another hole through the mechanical valve, and then go back into the one. Once everything is fully up to temperature, the steamer one will automatically release steam, as you can see right here. And as you can see, nice steam coming out of one, excellent pressure, great temperature, working great. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Prima Donna Deluxe working once again. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.